In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Slack. Whether you're organizing a team, streamlining processes, or just trying to make your day a little easier, using workflows in Slack can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and see how easily you can create a workflow to enhance productivity and communication for your team. First, let's open Slack and head over to the channel where you'd like the workflow to be available. The right choice of channel is important because that's where the workflow will operate, making it visible and accessible to all the necessary participants. Once you're in the right spot, tap on the channel name at the top to open its details. Now, within the channel details, you'll find a tab or section for integrations or apps. This is where you can manage the integrations that add functionality to your Slack channel. Look for the option that says Workflows and select it. This will give you access to Slack's Workflow Builder, an intuitive tool where you can create, edit, and manage your workflows. Once you've opened the Workflow Builder, it's time to click on the Create button to get started with a new workflow. This is your creative space where you can design the workflow to perfectly fit your team's needs. Start by giving your workflow a meaningful name. A distinctive name helps everyone on the team to quickly understand the purpose of the workflow, making it more intuitive to use. After naming your workflow, you need to trigger it. Slack offers various triggers based on your requirements, such as a keyword, a shortcut, or even an external event. Think about how you want this workflow to be initiated and select the most suitable trigger. This ensures that the workflow kicks off seamlessly when you need it to. Next, it's time to design the steps of your workflow. You'll see options like sending a message, notifying a team member, or even creating a form. The beauty of the Workflow Builder is its flexibility, allowing you to mix and match different steps according to what your workflow demands. Take your time to add each step, making sure to define its function clearly. As you build, keep in mind to test your workflow. Run through the steps to ensure it's working just as you envisioned. This is your chance to see the workflow in action and make necessary adjustments before it goes live. Testing will save you time and potential headaches later on. Finally, once you've tested everything and you're happy with how it works, hit the Publish button. Your workflow is now live, ready for you and your team to start using it and seeing the benefits of a well-structured, automated process in your daily operations. Congratulations! You've successfully created a workflow in Slack. This newfound capability is sure to streamline your team's efforts, making collaboration more efficient and productive. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for taking your Slack experience to the next level.